running, I always. I love the chase and the hunt, and I set the pace when I'm running. I always take what I want and I always give it 100. Don't need a bank, no I'm funded. Play the game like it's nothing. I'm always thankful for something. Don't take for granted, stay humble. Now wake up! It's time to look at the enemy. Look in the mirror if he is no friend to me. It's not working out, maybe it's the chemistry. It's time to break up so I can make a better. I love the chase and the hunt, and I set the pace when I'm running. I always take what I want and I always give it 100. Don't need a bank, no I'm funded. Play the game like it's nothing. I'm always thankful for something. Don't take for granted.
Hello, hello, everyone. You're welcome once more on the Betong's Crypto. On today's show, I want us to look at Bitcoin analysis and some price predictions 2024 and 2025. I want you guys to understand something that is going to help you build an amazing career or portfolio in the crypto space. If say you focus on what Bitcoin is doing, you are always going to make profit investing in other altcoins. We're going to look at some BTC news to help us understand how the future of Bitcoin holds, what is going on right now in the market, the Bitcoin ETFs, the Ethereum ETFs, a lot of meme coins being launched on the base network and also on the Solana network. All this good stuff is happening right now. It's like everyone is going crazy. It's going like everyone will get a piece of this baby, the crypto. Before it wasn't like this, but now everyone is struggling. It's like wanting to get some piece of this whole Bitcoin, crypto, meme coin, name it. So if you're new here, I'm your guy, Betong, and I'm always here to help people out there who are interested to build wealth in this brutal industry, to understand market structure, to understand when to take out profit, to know when to stay away from the market, how to look at the market and combine both TA and fundamentals to be able to make better decisions as you embark on this journey investing long term. We are here to accumulate more Bitcoin. So trading altcoins, meme coins, it will help us accumulate more Bitcoin. Why? Because we want to protect our money. We want to make money and keep it. Bitcoin is the future of money. So if I make money now and I keep it in Bitcoin, it means I'm protecting my money. So we're gonna discuss about all this stuff today. And if you're new, then make sure you smash the subscribe button. It's very important. You subscribe, like this content. It's gonna help, reach out to more people. I always appreciate if say you come here and you like and it helps. Okay, let's begin with this. Crypto bubbles. Okay, I'm gonna be honest with you guys to let you understand something. Before I continue, I wanna fix my profile. I don't know why it's sharing my entire screen. I want to share only a particular screen, not my entire screen. Let me see if say I can do this quickly. I don't know. This is let me see share. Share screen. No, I don't want to share this. Guys, just give me some moments. Let me see if I can share scene. Okay, I'm just struggling to see. Oh, this is it's weird, But anyways, I'm gonna just okay. I got it. I wanna like now it's better. You see, now it's better. It's better now. So let me do it like this. At least now you better start. It has zoomed out everything, and now it looks somehow good. Let's clap for me. I managed to do something. Well, look at the crypto market. Look at what is going on. what you see here is a pairs against Bitcoin. So all the cryptocurrencies that you see in green are the ones that are outperforming Bitcoin. So let's see if say some coins are outperforming Ethereum. No, let me go. This is USDT. Let's go to Bitcoin. I was on USDT. Now we are on BTC. Yeah, so these are the coins in green that are outperforming Bitcoin. So let's move to Ethereum to see which coin are outperforming Ethereum at this point in time. Let's see which ones. Almost the same thing. Bread of the cars, dog. Audi is up 7% today. This is burger. This is awesome. Audi is now. Let's look at the current price of Audi 50. Let's see. Okay, I think I'm not able to see this. If I go to, let me just go to USD. Let me see the price of Audi in USD. Let's see, Audi is up 5% today. The current price is 49 US dollars. Okay, that's awesome. Let's go back to BTC. I love to look at this in BTC because my idea is to accumulate more Bitcoin. So looking at this, Audi is outperforming Bitcoin for today. I have some Audi. Bread also is doing the same. Yasmi, Cars, Nord, Call, Dog, all the coins in green are outperforming Bitcoin. So you can look at these coins, and if you're holding them, then good. If they pump, cash out some profit and get into Bitcoin. And if you can go with this. Look at the top coins out there, like top 100 coins, top 200 coins. You can go also and look at the top two technology Coinbase. One thing I've seen here, which is really fascinating, is the fact that meme coins are really doing well. You can see I bought this coin, Dog, a while ago. I think this is Dog with had. It's a new coin, I think, something like that. This was launched back then. This coin is up for the month 176% for the week. This, so I think maybe for not like maybe the meme coins are really doing well. This time around, we're gonna go through Bitcoin and analysis towards the end of the video and other stuff. But let's begin with the news. We have seen what is going on in the market. Here's what happened in crypto today. So yeah, he's just giving us what has happened in crypto. Rowan Kitty has been accused of market manipulation by one of GameStop's most prominent short sellers. BlackRock and Fidelity spot Bitcoin ETFs currently account for a large portion of the firm's total ETF inflow this year. Wow! Yeah. Who says crypto doesn't have demand? There's so much demand in the crypto space. You can see how BlackRock is enjoying the whole stuff. It's pretty amazing to see like what has been going on with crypto in the past. How BlackRock, like thing, didn't want to talk about crypto. We saw also how Michael Saylor didn't want to talk about crypto, but at one point his company has made so much money through Bitcoin. His investors have made so much money through Bitcoin. And there's a pattern here. Like, I want you guys to understand something, and that's I think that's one of the downside with those who actually don't understand what this is all about. When you understand the bigger picture of this industry, why certain players are on board doing what they're doing, the outcome is going to be really, really good for you. When you understand that Bitcoin is actually the future of money, is the future of digital asset, is the future of property, you'll be able to make money right now and buy Bitcoin. Forget about the current price of Bitcoin. Imagine that you are going to live for the next 10 years, the next 20 years. Look at the price of Bitcoin during that period. And now you're working to enjoy during that period. Don't come here with that mentality to want to make quick gains. You're going to find yourself doing bad mistakes. But if you focus your mind that you're going to trade this meme coin, trade this altcoin, you buy Bitcoin. And when you see these big players, Bitcoin ETF, you see how Larry Fink, BlackRock, Fidelity, these guys, they understand the future. And they have wealthy clients who are demanding this ETF. When you hear BlackRock is managing money for investors. Their investors are the one that is urging them to go and buy or to launch a Bitcoin fund, Bitcoin ETF. So yeah, I want you to understand this. It's very important you understand this because most of you just do things without you understanding what you're doing. So let's dive and let's continue with this. You can see here it says Bitcoin ETF makes 26% of BlackRock's 2024 inflows, half of Fidelity's half of Fidelity's. BlackRock and Fidelity Spot Bitcoin Exchange Traded Fund ETF have accounted for a significant share of the issuers' total ETF inflow this year. I mean, they are talking about all the ETF they have, stocks, what like I don't know, like the ETF they have, but among all of their ETFs, Bitcoin alone account for 26%. This is really cool. And no wonder we are seeing celebrities, coming on board to launch their meme coins. We see Caitlyn Jenner, coming up with her own meme coin. We are seeing rapper Rich, the kid also came out with his own meme coin. We saw Davido came out with his own meme coin. I mean, what is actually going on in this game? Why are they scrambling? Like, why meme coins? Why? Because meme coin is like casino, crypto casino. You go there, you try a log, and you make huge profit. I've seen coins, in 1 hour, 30,000x. I mean, 30,000x, yeah, in 1 hour. This is insane. There are people out there who are trading this meme coin, who are pouring in money in this meme coin. So we also take advantage of this meme coin. That's why I started doing videos on how to trade meme coins on the base network. If you haven't yet watched my videos on how to trade meme coins or any coin out there on the base network, then make sure you go and watch my videos. It's gonna be helpful to you, so you prepare yourself. Let's go where the money is. They say where the money is where you want to be. Let's go and pluck a lot of these profits and take it back to pay ourselves in Bitcoin. That's the idea. Bitcoin, the alpha. So celebrity, they have a fan base, they have goods, community that they can launch. Let's say if say you have 20 million followers across all social media, right, and you are able to launch a meme coin. Let's say only 10% are able to buy. Do you know how much that is, in terms of market cap and what you can make in terms of profit? Everyone wins. So this is very important. We look at meme coins. I want to analyze some meme coins that I'm looking at, so we can see what we might hold in the future. And let's move to the next, which is Elon Musk. Share like famous Warren Buffett tweet which says hodl, and the entire crypto community goes wild. Like, I mean, the reason why I brought this is not because of the fact that Elon Musk shared this, or because of the fact that Warren Buffett, did this or did that. The reason why I'm doing it is because of you. I want you to understand what these guys, how they manage to acquire their wealth. They manage to acquire the wealth by holding a particular thing or believing in something, and they accumulate it over a long period of time. So if you are in this space and you want to buy crypto, you want to invest in cryptocurrency, you are trading, you have to be able to understand which coin you are trading and which coin you are holding long term. If you understand which coin you are trading and which coin you are holding long term, you'll be able to build a plan around a plan and a strategy around this, and it's going to help you long term to keep compounding, making more profit. And the days that you might not make profit, it wouldn't be significant, because if say you have a plan that makes you profit or over like 30% of it, let me say 60% of the time, and you lose only 40%, it's not significant, right? So I'm really urging you guys not to, be overwhelmed. Don't be overwhelmed. Focus on a particular strategy that will help you to keep compounding, making money. Hold on. If say Bitcoin is that coin that you want to accumulate more, hold the Bitcoin. Don't listen to any YouTuber who will say sell this, sell that. You have a plan that okay, you are holding Bitcoin, and when Bitcoin get to this price point, you're gonna sell this and buy this or buy that, and you keep rotating that money in the market, looking for opportunities, and you have a particular plan or a strategy that they follow, and this is gonna help you long term. And those of you who who fall in love with coins and you just want to make money quick, trust me, you're gonna be regretting this. Let's say the next, the next 5 years, the next 10 years. Because you'll see that you have lost a lot. Who told me that it will be like almost 5 years that I joined crypto. I think yeah, I'm going to. I think I started join. I knew about crypto in 2019, 2020. I got into crypto like I was still a baby then. 2021, went in. I was still a baby full time. I was still a baby and made some money, lose some money. 22, okay, yeah, 23, and 23 I started becoming like, okay, now I got this all right, and 24 I'm unstoppable. So you see the journey. I'm not saying that you guys shouldn't make mistakes, but if say you are able to avoid some bad mistakes, it's gonna be good for you long term. Let me not stay on this. Let me move to move to the next, which is this the next meme stock frenzy? Raw explode over 300% after Kitty game move. So the meme coin, I saw this coin back then. I didn't pay attention to it. If I would have bought it, I would have, but I don't blame myself for that. It wasn't part of the, like, when I saw it, uh, um I didn't get any conviction to buy the coin. When you are buying this meme coin, there's nothing like fundamentals or that you can go and look at. This stuff that are not really clear. So price action is what you need to rely on. That's TA, to see what price is doing. Then you can capitalize on price for short term or long term. Looking at what price is doing. So when I look at the price action for Frenzy, I didn't really see something, that will prompt me to want to buy it. But I managed to lose 300%, just like that. So I would have made some cool gains. That's about 3x. I should say it like that, or something like that. I don't know. But I'm not beating myself so much, because I stick to my plan. I didn't make money, I didn't lose money. I'm okay. I still have more opportunities in the market. Like yesterday, some of my coins, they just move like whoop to the upside and I cash out profit. So I cannot control everything in the market. I cannot be in everything in the market, but I can be in the thing that I already understand it and wait for my time to come for me to make some profit. So it's very important you understand this. So now, those of you who haven't yet followed me on Twitter, this is my Twitter. Go and follow me on Twitter, the Betong. I share stuff every now and then about the cryptocurrencies. Maybe I should be sharing other stuff, about life, traveling, and other stuff that I do. But of course, we have to focus on cryptocurrency. You can see here, there is clearly stated that make more Bitcoin trading altcoins, learn strategies to make more Bitcoin. So this is who I'm all about. I'm all about Bitcoin, but I have to go deeper. If I stay only on Bitcoin, if I buy Bitcoin and stay only on Bitcoin, I won't be able to make money, right? Not like I'm gonna make money, but not that significant amount of money. So it's very important. You guys follow me on Twitter. Now let's get to this. The bottom of this Bitcoin NFTs hit 4 billion in all-time sales volume, which is like, hey guys, the Bitcoin blockchain. I talk about some Bitcoin ordinance, or let's say Bitcoin ecosystem coin, or I talk about this often on my platform like Audi, SAT, RAT, BV, BVR. I don't know. Let me see if say I can bring in some of them here. Let's see if I have it here. Bitcoin, it's Bitcoin ecosystem. I have of my list here. Some on my list here. Let me see if I can bring them here. Audi, RAT, 100 SAT, BVM, Audi Swap, Bifi, Lever, TX. So there are many of them. So I've chosen some of them that I trade, but now they're talking about NFTs, on the Bitcoin, and it's on the Bitcoin network, which I think is really amazing. Those who are following the NFT narratives, you guys can really enjoy it from the Bitcoin network, because like Bitcoiners have so much money, and when you make money, you want to spend that money on something else that might make you more money. So I think it's going to be easier for them to buy NFTs, and most of them are also buying meme coins, and they're going to be buying meme coins on the Bitcoin network as well. So it just depend on what you are looking at, which network you are focusing on. Don't be everywhere. Focus on something that is going to help you build something sustainable. Once you must have made more money, then you can now start looking at more chains, which is, I think, is the right thing to do. So let's get into this right now. This is the chart of Bitcoin, and right now we are seeing Bitcoin heading towards 70K. It went to 70K yesterday, and I mentioned in my previous videos that Bitcoin is moving in this range, and it's clear you can see that Bitcoin is moving in this range. And as Bitcoin keep moving on in this range, then we're gonna see one altcoins are gonna like pump dump. That's why if say Bitcoin is not moving that much, if your altcoin is moving, then cash out profit immediately. If not, you might see that altcoin come back to where it started moving. Now, if I bring in the volume profile, yeah, I always love to bring in the volume profile. It's not give us the same scenario. Like this is a daily time frame. You can see we are sitting at. Let me zoom out this so we can see clearly. I'm more confident looking at the volume profile. Why? Because we are above the POC. We are closer to the value area high, but we are above the POC. The POC is the line in the middle. And this line in the middle is also above where the alpha trend printed its sell signal. Because price is above where the alpha trend printed its sell signal, then I'm confident that price is gonna go above. And we're gonna see Bitcoin hits about $250,000 by 2024. That's my Bitcoin price prediction, and this year we might see 100K or 150K Bitcoin, looking at price action. So if say Bitcoin is to pump, yeah, let's say, let's just bring in this. Let me just assume that Bitcoin is going to pump about 10%. When Bitcoin want to pump, Bitcoin pump like crazy. Let's say Bitcoin might pump 10%. Let's just make it real 10%. Last time Ethereum pumped 20%. But let me just say Bitcoin has to pump just 10% from where price is right now, or from the let me not that where prices are, from this high, which is around $72,000. So let's take it from there, 10%. Let's see where we're gonna be if price get there. So that's gonna be around $80,000. So 10% pump, like if we see a 10% pump from $72,000, then Bitcoin is gonna go to 80K, and we see another 10%. Let's say 20%. Right? Let's just assume that it pumped 20%. Let's see where we're gonna go to. It's very important you understand what I'm doing here. The reason why I'm doing this is because I want you guys to see that if Bitcoin is to pump this much and price get to this level, we're gonna see so much hype on other altcoins to pump as well. And these altcoins, when they pump, that's when we make money. We make money when these altcoins pump. And meme coins are going to be leading, no doubt. And that's why you see me focusing on base network. I want us to be able to make money on the base network and Ethereum network. It's the gas fee there is cheap. You'll be able to trade. You can even start trading with $20, $25, and you're gonna make so much money with that if you know what you're doing. So looking at this right now, I would say that Bitcoin, because price has rejected this zone multiple times, which is okay. Price is above the alpha trend, above the 50-day moving average, which is so good. And now price is above the 5-day moving average, which is more even bullish to me. So I would say that Bitcoin, we might see Bitcoin hit $72,000, and from there maybe it start going towards 100K, and after 100K we might see Bitcoin drop right down to $72,000. Why? Because whenever price breaks structure, price, for some reason, price might come back to retest structure, which is very important. So now, if we look at Ethereum, something is going on with Ethereum here that I think maybe most of you like might be interested in. Ethereum have printed a buy signal here on the alpha trend has printed a buy signal here, and we have seen price pump crazy to the upside, and price is above where the alpha trend printed its sell signal. Remember what I told you guys: whenever price goes above where the alpha trend printed a sell signal, price might come back there to retest it, and if price keep being above this zone, then we should be more bullish on that altcoin. So Ethereum is doing the same thing. So we might see a pump of Ethereum back to $4,000 or above to $6,000. Why? Also, Ethereum ETF has been launched, and if say you want to be in a coin that might really give you more profit, long term, you should be in Ethereum, and you switch in between Ethereum, Bitcoin. I always recommend it too, but at the end, switch back into Bitcoin, because if say the market is taking a hit, Bitcoin won't take a hit more than the way Ethereum we're going to take a hit. So you have to understand that. Remember, the idea is to make money and able to keep that money. So if you're in all coins that you are not able to keep the profit, then it's not going to be good for you. So let's dive into this. I want us to look at the total. This is total two. That's all cryptocurrencies excluding Bitcoin. And there's something I want us to see. I drew this trend line here. Let me zoom this out so we can really enjoy this. It's very important. Like, I love TA because TA can really give you a sense of direction where price is going. You see, we price we saw this movement up here, and price wasn't able to break this golden pocket. Looking at the Fibonacci retracement tool, so price retraced back and price retraced back to this zone here, and after that we are seeing price going back towards this where the towards the where the POC, sorry, the where the uh, let me just, yeah, it's still the POC, but I just mentioned the name right now. The golden pocket, yeah, I always confuse the golden pocket and the, the POC, but it's almost similar thing. When price get there, price always react towards those areas. So price is heading towards that area now. So if price gets there and price is not able to break and make higher heights from there, then we might see all coins really go downward. And if we look at the total trade, that's all cryptocurrencies out there, excluding Bitcoin and Ethereum, we can see that the upward movement is still there, and the alpha trend haven't yet printed a buy signal. So all the other altcoins we should be patient, but because we see these vectors here, it has not been recovered completely to an extent, I think, yeah. So we might see another attempt of price towards that area. So price has already broken structure, yeah. So we should expect price to move back upwards. So expect most of those other altcoins out there, maybe meme coins, to do so well that is gonna push this chart to the upside. And if price is not able to break the same way, then we might see all the altcoin market, not all the altcoin, the altcoin market, like, it's as if there are many altcoin market. Of course, there are many altcoin market. There are meme coins. There's so many of those stuff. But you understand what I'm trying to say? We're not see the altcoin market, plunge downward, which is not what we want to see. So all these are just, analysis. What might happen, what might not happen is not 100% certain, but it gives us an urge on what we might expect in the future. And if we look at this liquidity heat map, we're looking now on Bitcoin and the different zones where price might move. Let me refresh this, so we can get current price action on this Bitcoin liquidity heat map. So looking at this right now, you can see clearly. Okay, let me go to the daily time frame. That's the next 24 hours. What might happen? These are the areas where we might expect price to go at $68,000 and 500. So because of, like, I'm not seeing any real liquidity up there for price to go and grab. I can see liquidity mostly below. Yeah. So the market makers can, attempt to push price to the upside during the US market open, which is, I think, it's already like in 1 minute the US market will open, and we might see, or we can see what price is doing when the US market open. We can go on Bitcoin live chat to see what price is doing, or maybe I can even bring in the volume profile to see what price is doing or where price might head towards when the market is going to open. But I can see here that we have liquidity here that they can come and grab. We also have some here, so pay attention to altcoins. If Bitcoin is going to come down to extract this liquidity here, then we're going to see altcoins plunge downward as well. But we can still see Bitcoin go upwards, no doubt. And if we look at the next 12 hours, let's see if there's something. Okay, the next 12 hours gave us something here. We can see Bitcoin go right up to $72,000 for the next 12 hours, which is also good. That's why, guys, it's good to look at the market in different time frames. When I look at it, when I look at it on the 24 hours time frame, I didn't really get something above. But if I look at it now, right now on the 12 hours time frame, you can see that there's also liquidity here that they can go and grab. So we might see them push price more upward to this area because we have been seeing price, moving downward. Well, I don't know. You can see they can either go up or go down. What we should do is prepare ourselves of what might happen in the market. This is very important. Let's just go quickly to the chart of Bitcoin. Let's see what Bitcoin is doing. Because right now I'm seeing that the market is open. Let me just rush to the price of Bitcoin to see what Bitcoin is doing this opening. Let's go to the 2 minutes time frame. Yeah, let's see some price action there. Yeah, so while we look at the price action, let me go to another chart. I think let's see Bybit. Okay, this is okay. Let me zoom it a little bit so we can see that's a 2 minute time frame. Let me go to the 1 minute. Let's see what's going on there. Or maybe I should, okay. So um the reason why you see me doing all this for you guys is because I want you guys to see exactly what might happen in the market, and knowing what might happen in the market, you'll be able to prepare yourself to make some profit from your altcoins. Now let's move to check on quickly some of these meme coins, on the base network. I already have some of them. Tron is one of them. The reason why I'm favoring Tron, or I believe in this Tron token on the base network, is because of the fact that the presidential election is coming, and Trump is the favorite and their favorite candidate, and we are gonna see the MAGA people pump, this token to be able to, create awareness in the world. Imagine that the Trump token become one of the top in the game. So what will happen? So many things is not gonna happen, like to favor the Trump. Maybe we might see this push Trump to become the next U.S. president. So Trump is what one of the coin I'm looking at. I'm also looking at Degen. These are coins on base network. Degen is down like drastically, but I've been seeing some movement with this coin on the higher time frame. I'm looking at it right now on the 4 hours time frame, so we can see price has made higher highs. It's making higher highs. Yeah, even though this price wasn't able to break above, but price is still holding structure, yeah, which is awesome. And another coin that I want you guys to look at is Nomi. Nomi is another meme coin. I have been trading this coin, but it's down significantly. But if you zoom out, you're gonna see that the coin is holding structure as well. Let me zoom out a little bit. Okay, let's go back to the 4 hours time frame so we can see. Okay, you can see it's holding structure. It pumps, it went up, it's holding this zone here, which is okay. I want to see it hold this zone. If it breaks this zone, then it's not gonna be good for me. Another coin that I've been looking at also recently is Gary. Gary is not actually a main coin, it's a normal coin, but I see that price has been rejecting this zone here down, and the upside for this coin is really good, and I think that maybe we can see a huge pump to the upside. This is my target here. If I see price get there, then I'm going to cash out some profit, but this is a pretty decent zone for this coin, and you can check on it if you want. Of course, these meme coins are really they're not I'm not able to I'm now it's they are not 100% certain that they're gonna make money, right? So don't be there thinking that maybe because the Betong is talking about this coin, you're gonna make money. No, what I'm doing is so risky, but I want to allocate some part of my portfolio into this so I can make some money, and buy back Bitcoin. I've been doing that. I don't care if I take out $5, $10, $20, $1, $2. I don't care. I take it anyways because I know if I do that, continuously long term, I'm gonna make more profit. Okay, so Andy is also another coin that I've been looking at. Andy, you know, I've done a whole tutorial on how to go about this on the base network. Go and watch my previous videos on how to go about this. So I think guys I've come to the end of today's video. But before I even go, let's just check on what is going on with Bitcoin. Let's see Bitcoin price action quickly. If Bitcoin is pumping, okay, yeah, I think Bitcoin, okay, no, that was a fake move. Let's go to the 50 minutes time frame. Let's see what's going on there. Okay, you see pointing these vector candles here, and yeah, so Okay, let's just wait and see what price is gonna do. But I think what price is gonna do is looking at this liquidity heat map, maybe price might go right up to $72,000 per Bitcoin. Okay, this is it for today. Hopefully, this was helpful to you guys. And if you want me to keep doing this, then you know what to do. Go right now and smash the subscribe button. Thumbs up and share my content with someone else out there. Until then, guys, see you in the next video. Bye bye. Ciao.
I love the chase and the hunt, and I set the pace when I'm running. I always take what I want and I always give it 100. Don't need a bank, no, I'm funded. Play the game like it's nothing. I'm always thankful for something. Don't take for granted, stay humble. Now wake up! It's time to look at the enemy. Look in the mirror if he is no friend to me. It's not working out.